All right, welcome back, everyone. Um, where do I even start? We're going rotated. I'm gonna show you guys the turbo and the turbo setup. But yeah, 500 wheel, stock block. After many pulls, many digs, she still lives, knock on wood. We're gonna go up to maybe 650 wheel, another 150 horse, another 150 wheel, or honestly, if I can try to hit 700 wheel, that'd be great. That would be great. Yeah, the setup's changing a little bit. We're gonna get the torque solution intake manifold. That's one. Gonna get rid of this Velocitech snorkel because like there's no point. I don't even need it right now actually. Probably gonna block off the hood scoop because drag and all that, and like the engine bay pressure, and it might force lift on the hood, and that would be a bad time. But yeah, like we're getting rid of the turbo, just really just anything on this side. Yeah, it's just saving up for the torque solution manifold. The injectors are on their way. Yeah, if you guys want to recap on the mod list, we're gonna go through it right now. So mod list, it's gonna get pretty long, but right there is a stock location 3076 Garrett turbo. Yeah, it's actually a really big turbo. Like from back here, you can even see it. Yeah, that's really it. Like it's just it's a really big stock location turbo. It barely fits against the bell housing, against the the trans right there, the bell housing for the trans, and the actual like engine itself. It's really thick. Like I had to like maneuver it a shit ton of times. It's the downpipe is the MAP Jesse, and ETS Extreme catback, ETS front mount intercooler, torque solution, fuel rails. I think it's a fuel injector FIC 1200 cc's. We're gonna go up to 1650s. My tuner said 2150s is overkill. I got a ETS intake, MAFless. I got a Killer B turbo inlet. That's really it. Like for modifications, we're on full speed density. Right there is the AEM IET sensor. No, not AEM. That's actually torque solution. They use like a GM one. Works great. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the engine mods. Pretty standard setup. All that to get 500 wheel. Yeah. 5-inch intercooler ETS. We got Cobb radiator hose piping. CSF, really thick boy, no space, no clearance. Look at this clearance right here. Can't even fit $1 through there. It has an oil cooler built into it, so I have a sandwich plate and that. I redid the timing. That was a Gates timing kit. And RCM oil pump. Yeah, did a lot. The RCM oil pump, I feel like, is the reason why this motor is alive. Knock on wood. We're gonna keep saying that. Knock on wood. But yeah, oil pressure is up there. It is up there, like 120 psi. When you're driving around on cold oil, 100 psi on like high RPM pulls, and then it tapers down to 80, which is great. Huge. Like there's like the 30 psi increase in oil pressure, which is exactly what you want for a higher horsepower build. And I feel like all Subarus should have like a semi like big oil pump. That's just my thoughts. I have a AEM A1000 Gen 2 fuel pressure regulator. These are all the braided lines are made by me. And the flex fuel kit, it's on Facebook Marketplace. This guy, his name's Jake, he makes flex fuel sensors for Cobb and like their green speed stuff, and it works perfectly fine for me. My tuner loved it, and it's good. E80, E85 in Connecticut, but it works great. Yeah, on E80 injector duty cycle with these injectors was like pretty much at 102%, which is not what you want because it could lean out and go boom. So that's why we're getting bigger injectors, because the next turbo, the 6466, cannot handle it at all. Absolutely not. But yeah, and for upgrades, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of this ugly plastic reservoir. I'm gonna get the parent one. It's gonna go like right here or down there, hidden. Obviously, we're gonna get the torque solution intake manifold. I'm gonna clean up the lines on the hoses. That coolant line right there is leaking, not good. So thank God we're going rotated. The turbo doesn't even take coolant anymore, it takes oil only. I kind of wanted coolant, but it's whatever. We're going to an IG AOS, the comp one, or with the comp edition on it. So no more oil is going back into the engine. Well, it's gonna drain, but no more blow-by gases, and escaped oil is gonna go back into the inlet, so it'll be clean air. Yeah, that's really it. We're just going rotated 6466. I'm gonna get custom piping for just this side, because I'm not spending $300 on and waiting and shipping time from ETS. They're pretty helpful, but yeah, it's an ETS rotated kit off of my friend Marcel. Rest in peace to his car. That's why we're doing this, keeping his build alive, low key. Yeah, I'm gonna go show you guys the 6466. All right, so here's the 6466. Don't mind the, oh, well, you know what, honestly, let me just show you guys. There it is. Nice big spoolie boy. Ooh, looks good. The ETS entire kit right here. It has a torque solution blanket on both. Pretty good. Heat wrap right there. I'm pretty sure that's torque solution. We got a wastegate blanket right there. That is a precision 45mm wastegate, 17 psi spring. So we're going crazy. The IG comp AOS right here. Yeah, that's really it. T51R mod for the turbo. You see that chunk right there? Yeah, Marcel had to cut it out for the, basically it didn't fit, which is kind of funny, but it's whatever. No shaft play, no nothing. Just gonna bolt straight on. I was gonna install it today, but it's like 20 degrees out and I can't feel my nuts. Probably gonna get some driving POVs because I'm gonna miss the setup, low key. I'm gonna miss the... All right, let's go for a drive. Let it warm up. All right, let's go for a drive. Let's go do some laundry. All right, I hope the mic's picking this up. I don't know how good the DJI mic is, but yeah, let the car warm up, you know, show you guys drivability and stuff. Ooh. It just doesn't satisfy me enough. That's what she said. So, we're gonna see. Car's still not warm. Let's go get some Starbucks. Nice blow-off valve noises. I don't know if the mic's picking that up, so I'm gonna listen to it when I get home, obviously, to edit all this. Sport Sharp. On pump gas. This is just pump, I'm not even on E. E85 is kind of far, so we'll see if I go get some during the week. But yeah, I don't know if the mic's picking me up, I don't know, because it's loud in here. But it's at 4K. Woo! It's a lot. It's a lot. My God. It's a fun turbo. I just need something more. I need something more spicier. On E85, this thing's scary as hell.